Flat earthers. I'm being very sincere when I ask this question. What makes you think the earth is flat? I don't understand the thought process behind denying what is widely considered to be the truth. What is it that you've seen or heard or read or experienced that makes you deny what every scientific mind on the planet says the Earth is, which is at a minimum an orb around a globe, a ball? What makes you think it's flat? Why do you think it's flat? And do you think that the sun goes around this flat Earth? And that's how we get sunrises and sunsets and night times? I'm trying to understand. So surely somebody out there, maybe I should use the hashtag flat earth, I don't know. But surely somebody out there in the Flat Earth Society can see this and answer a couple of these questions. What is it that made you think the earth is flat? Do you believe the sun, by definition, I guess it would have to orbit the earth, right? Because you don't deny sunrises and sunsets, right? Obviously, you can see the sunrise. You can see the sun be at its peak. You can see the sunset. You experience nighttime. So you don't deny that something is moving. You just deny what? That we're moving and it moves around us? Or do we move around it as a flat earth? Here's another question I have. What's on the bottom? If the earth is flat, then what's the underneath part of the earth look like? Can we go see it? Can we launch into space and fly around the earth and see the underpart? Is it roots? Is it rocks? Is it like a pie crust holding everything in? How come nothing falls off the earth? What's the reason why water doesn't just flow off the side of the earth? Or people? Anything? Are you telling me that there is a point on the planet that I can go to, physically go to, and be at the edge of the earth? And what do I see there? Can I fly to the edge of the earth and stand there and just kind of like look over the edge? Is that a possibility? And I guess another question would be, what does the scientific community, NASA, the federal government, and everybody else, going back to, I guess, the time of Copernicus, what do they all stand to gain by lying to us and telling us that the earth is round rather than flat? There has to be an ulterior motive. There has to be a motive, right? There has to be a reason why they do it instead of just saying the earth is flat. So can you answer some of these questions for me? Because I am trying my best to understand any of it, and none of it makes sense to me.